Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're logged in and on the page, good. First, open the page from the left menu or search bar. Once the page loads, look at the top address bar. If you're on mobile, tap the three dots, then view page info. For desktop, make sure the URL shows facebook.com/your page name. This is the canonical link. Once you locate it, select the entire address, click once, then use Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy it to your clipboard. Now you need to confirm the link is the right one. If the URL contains facebook.com, replace the subdomain with facebook.com for a cleaner link. This avoids mobile redirects. If your page uses a username, the URL will be short and stable. That's preferred. Alternatively, click the Share button on the page to copy a share link or select Get Link in Page Options. Once done, paste into a note to test. Then prepare to send via. To finish, open Messenger, web or app, and choose the chat. Paste the URL and hit send. If you want a preview, wait a moment so Messenger can unfurl it. If the preview is wrong, paste the link as plain text or add a trailing slash to force refresh, then resend. If you encounter redirects or stale previews, clear your browser cache or log out and back in. That usually resolves fetch errors. If problems persist, check page visibility and your access level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.